Oh my God, yes. It's finally here. What's up, everybody? Ross the Roamer here, getting ready to unbox the ONEWHEEL. Pretty much keeping busy, but I think the ONEWHEEL would help me keep a little bit busier. So let's get into this bad boy. I'll fast forward it here a little bit to speed up the process. Beautiful thing. See, here she is. What a beauty. I can't wait to tear it up in the streets and keep my social distancing. And we're gonna take it to the streets.
Emergency stop. Oh, you gotta hook it onto like something. What did you bring that for?
Hey, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and share. Hit that little bell notification so you'll always be informed on when we drop our next videos. I love these ONEWHEELs. It's just like snowboarding. You go heel side and toe side, and you carve it. Watch out for little kids on bicycles. Highly recommend getting a ONEWHEEL. Zayla needs a push. Go help her out. gear just wiped out a little bit on the boosted board. Let's go make sure she's okay. You got hit in the face with a sprinkler? I'm telling you, this thing is amazing. It goes 16 miles per hour. I got the PINT. I didn't go with the XR version. It's a little bit bigger. It's about twice the money, so I went with the $950 US one-wheel PINT, but it is super dope. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching the video. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. Keep the soul traveling, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.